Hello kids, this is the class. I'm going to teach you how to fill the color. What every kid do. The trick is very simple, how to fill color in any shape. Okay, with the oil pastel. Oil pastel is very best medium for the kid. They are very thick and very bright color. So kid, you take your oil pastel and do as I do here. Very simple technique. I'm going to teach you how to fill color in rectangle, in triangle and in circle, and how not to fill also. See, how not to fill is very important, and how to fill is also important. So see here and do as I do. You are watching Arihanta Drawing Classes YouTube channel, and I am your friend Rahul Unhone. So please watch this video and do.
We are going to color in this rectangle shape. So let me first draw the rectangle shapes. So here rectangle shapes, triangle shape and circle shape. So first, what every kid do just color like a zigzag line, slanting line, straight line, slipping line. So color look like this, but we don't want like this. If you have interest in the drawing and coloring, so please do as I am doing here. See, any shape you want to fill color, so make sure you have done the outline inside that shape. See, I am doing here. And keep the angle of your color crayon or pencil any you are holding, that is the same. If you are doing vertically, you should complete that shape vertically and keep the pressure same till the end of that shape. Okay, see, I am handling my pressure and angle both same till the complete fill of this in this shape. So see, this shape is looking the same, the color is everywhere same. So you are an artist, so you should do like this. And if we have to color in the triangle shape, and we are going to mix two shades here. On the top I am going to use yellow, and at the bottom I am using another one. So see, same technique last we did earlier in the rectangle shape. See here, I did first outline inside the shape of the triangle on the top of the triangle, and here on the bottom of the triangle I am doing red color. See, so look at my hand, how the angle I am handling. Angle is the same here. Okay, see, the pressure is also same. And when two colors merge together, so please less pressure on your crayon or oil pastel. So I recommend oil pastels because oil pastel mixes very well, they blend also very well. So see, this is the very fresh color it is looking here, and totally fill it is here. Now let's do color in the circle shape. So see, circle shape how to fill. See, I am doing green here. First I am doing outlining inside that circle shape. So see, and how is the pressure, how is the angle. So try you can try with me. If you try, you can get better result and you will be the better in coloring. See, totally fill the first shape and this third shape. See the difference. Okay, now let's mix two color in rectangle. Two corner we are going to fill color different in two corners. See, here is the another, here is the another one color. Okay, so same, let's do the yellow at the left corner of the rectangle here. Okay, see, now outlining first, then maintaining the angle of the oil pastel, maintaining the pressure on it. See how it is very simple technique, and it is very useful to every kid, because kids love to paint, kids love to color, but they don't know how to. But see, the Arihant drawing classes is for you. You can get free many tutorials here. So many tutorials are in this channel. You can watch. Let's go to this channel. There are many more videos for kids. How to draw with the letter, alphabet, anything is there. See how this fill is looking here. First do with the low pressure, then you know how to fill and where to mix two color, then increase the pressure on your oil pastel. Okay, then if pressing the color, you can get thick color here. Thick color looks more beautiful than the thin color. Okay, so oil pastels are very best, they are thick. Okay, so students and kids, if you love this, please like, share and subscribe.